What's up guys, my name is Gabrielle and today I'm going to be answering some common questions and concerns I get about my 2010 Lotus Evora that I rebuilt. The first and most common one, how do I afford it? I have a job. Actually, these cars are not that expensive. In good condition, you can find this generation, which was one of the first model years that we brought to the US, for around $40,000 to $50,000. As you can imagine, because this had a blown engine and other things, and also because I bought it for my partner, I bought it for significantly less than that, so they're really not that bad. Another question that I get is on the engine. So a lot of people obviously assume that because this is a Lotus, it has a Lotus engine, but that isn't the case. This actually has a Toyota 2GR engine in it, and actually this one specifically has a Lexus 2GR in it because I found one on Facebook Marketplace for $800. They're essentially the same engine, so I went ahead, grabbed that off Facebook Marketplace, and spent about 3 months putting it in this car so that it could still not run very well. Is it a manual transmission? Yes. Because I'm an adult, why would I buy an automatic sports car? And no offense to Lotus, but these are pretty lethargic cars when they're automatics. It's not a good automatic. Is that the car that had the engine blow up through the firewall? Actually, it was the transmission that blew up through the firewall, and I will include pictures here or here. And I was actually there when that happened. It was very dramatic and scary, but it, in a very long workaround way, brought the car to me, so I cannot complain about that. And lastly, would I buy the new Lotus Emira? Obviously, as the owner of a Lotus Evora and a Lotus Elise, this is a question I get a lot. Would I buy the new Lotus Emira? No, because it's pretty much just the Evora. And this is almost paid off, and I don't have $80,000 to spend on a new car. We'll do a whole episode next week on why I wouldn't buy the Lotus Emira specifically. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're interested on recounting the whole build process, I promise I'm going to go through all of that footage and all of the content I got swapping out the engine in this car and get that posted soon. Until then, see you later. Don't forget to hit that follow button if you want to see it. Don't rely on the algorithm to bring you back. Hit the follow button wherever it is on the screen, or subscribe. I just work here.